Olá a todos! Hi everyone! I'm so happy you guys enjoyed my last video. If you didn't have a chance to see it, click above. In this episode, I want to walk you through 7 Portuguese words and expressions that will make you sound more like a native. These come very handy when you need to respond to someone, and more than using sim, não, está bem, ok, you will be able to express more excitement and interest in a conversation. Bom, então, vamos começar! Whenever a person shares with you something unexpected and surprising, you can say a sério, as in really or seriously. Another common word is verdade. Let me give you some examples. Someone tells you, vou viver para o Japão. You can respond, a sério? Mais exemplo. Vou deixar de comer carne. You can respond, verdade? Another alternative is to say não acredito, as in I can't believe it, or even mix both to sound even more surprised. A sério? Não acredito. If you want to use more of a slang expression, you can say não posso. We commonly drop the word acreditar. So in this specific context, it means the same as não acredito. I can't believe it. After being surprised with what someone told you, if you want to reply with, are you sure? You can say, tens a certeza? Or, é mesmo isso que queres? Or in the formal, tenho a certeza? É mesmo isso que quer? Let's see this in some examples in the negative and positive. Já não vou mudar-me para Paris. You can reply, tens a certeza? É mesmo isso que queres? Or, vou voltar ao meu antigo emprego. You can answer, tenho a certeza? É mesmo isso que quer? The most common ways to congratulate someone is to say, que bom, parabéns. I have a full video on celebration expressions, so feel free to check it out. Click on the link above. If someone invites you to do something and you want to answer with a positive answer, instead of just saying sim or está bem, you can use one of these expressions. Claro, com certeza, é óbvio, or the adverb obviamente. Let's see some examples. Quer jantar comigo amanhã? Claro! You can even add a claro que sim. Quer ir ao cinema? Com certeza! This expression is a bit more formal, so you can use it in more formal conversations. Queres ir comer gelado? É óbvio! Or you can say, obviamente. These can be used interchangeably. If someone invites you to do something and you can't attend, we use a lot the expression que pena, as in, I'm sorry, what a shame that I can't make it. You can add fica para a próxima, and maybe some other time. Vamos ver alguns exemplos. Queres ir à praia? Que pena, não posso ir. Fica para a próxima, está bem? If a person invites you and you can't attend, they will probably reply, não faz mal, don't worry, or não há problema, no problem, no worries. These 2 expressions are used very often in daily conversations. Let's see an example. If you ask at a farmer's market, tem laranjas? The seller replies, só para a semana, desculpe. You can reply, não faz mal. The verb combinar and the adjective combinado are great words to make you sound more like a native. When asking someone if they want to plan something, use the verb combinar instead of planear. So instead of queres planear jantar para a semana, try to say queres combinar jantar para a semana. You will sound so much more like a native. Once you agree on a time and a day for something, you can say combinado. That is your final word that you agreed on this and it's a deal. We also commonly use the expression pode ser to agree on something as it can be, it's all right, it's okay. Vamos ver exemplo. Queres ir beber café? Pode ser. Às 2 horas? Combinado. Now that you know when to use each expression, try to slowly incorporate them in your dialogues. I'm sure that people will be very impressed with your knowledge of Portuguese and you will feel so much more confident. A great way to learn these expressions is by watching Portuguese soap operas. I highly recommend these shows so you can pick up daily expressions and learn how to emphasize words. Leave us a like or a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Adeus, até à próxima!